Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you're ready for this, but Shai has been making an Avante Garde art film for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Get ready. Shai, what are you doing? What is Mother, this? It's on. Be quiet. Lobster's so psychic. Okay, Dad, no, spin. Spin, no, spin. Not the camera. No, not the, no, you spin. Dad. Okay. Here. Shai, this is too scary. I don't think you should do this one. It's scary. You're right, Mother, but why does it keep doing that weird skip at the end when you're recording? I really don't know, but what should we do? I don't know what to do. Mom, just tell a beautiful story, okay, about me. Okay, sure, let me think of something. Sometimes. So this is how it was on New Year's Day morning, and yeah, we were up a bit late. And I woke up a bit late. Not the worst ever, but that was the sound I woke up to. Was her little feet on the ground.